How to activate Chase Freedom credit card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Chase Freedom credit card account. So activating your Chase Freedom credit card is really similar and basically the same to activating any other Chase credit card. So let's begin with that. So if you don't know how to do so, you'll need to first head over to chase.com/activate. After you do that, it's going to take you to this website. And after you're here, what it says is you will first need to sign in. To sign in, just use your username and then finally your password. Then tap on the sign in button and you can just activate it and start using it right away. And that's how simple it is. And if you don't know what to do after you log in, here you can simply go through this website to see how you can do so. So first you can call the number on the card to activate it. So after you call that, you will need to just give your you'll just need to follow the instructions that they give you, and after you do so, you can just put a secured pin and verify. Other than that, you can just go to your website. Here you can see your card. The sticker on your credit card will include a website link to activate the card. So you can just head over there and follow a set of directions. You can just follow the prompt and you'll have activated your card. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.